You know, there's many here. Relative at isda.
There's many here.
Many here to but. You know.
Oh, yo, there's some parents of Jefferson. See that?
I told you, relative.
Your relative.
Garo kay Bisaya kay nang istoryahan mo.
As you can see, there's
As you see, the water is, I know.
very clearly.
Very clearly. You know, that's why there's a lot of people shift to clear.
Yes. No, I want to chef. Chef.
Chef. I want to chef.
This is a maxi.
Ay, nako.
Ito man ako. Bakit?
So very anything else here.
Yes.
I'm walking around the beaches.
I have gutom.
You know, here in Boracay. So very, so very hot. It's because since we are in a tropical country, so it's normal for us to experience such.
You see that? You see that island? That island? That's what we call the island of Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Yes. So very near from here.
So actually, we can actually walk around the water for us to be able to go into that island.
Yes.
You know.
But this kind of basa we are going to ride. Going there.
Yeah, you know.
Pwede maulaw yun, no?
Babuan na, sir. You must ride a boat.
Sherwin, you speak English.
Yeah, what can you say about the place of Tandangwa? So we have some. From you. Go. Don't be shy.
This is the one who very indigenous species here in the Tandangwa.
Yeah. So as he has a beautiful eyes.
Wow, thank you.
A long tail. You know, it's a very long tail. You know. And it's a very exotic face. Yeah. So it was people in Jonji having fun. Having fun. That's it. Having fun. No, you know, there's a fish. Fish, ano, kaipon. Ano, bitaw. Ikaw, ano, eh. Ano, nakaga naman. Hipon.
You know that's what we call shrimp.
Shrimp.
Shrimp? Huh? Not crab, shrimp. Crab. Not crab, shrimp.
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 Ano ba? News na ito eh. Ano, butag ko kayo ba? So as you see, we're walking on the, Look. Oh yeah. As you see, we have. It's this. Sorry, go. Let's eat that. What is that happening? What is that?
I want to eat this.
Ay, I got me point.
She bite me.
She bite me.
She's a girl.
She's a girl.
My penis is only.
I have no ignorance.
Marami. Ay, hindi ka naman yung mga
Mga taga ng kuwan.
Sir, I have no ignorance.
mga bata dyan, palakupan sir.
Ikaw, patugawa sila ba? Manako po ko shrimp.
Mana?
Ikaw na, no?
Kita terkawon.
Pero, Dry.
Tara.
Ayan, natin mo na ako. Tara, sila yan.
Tara.
Pastor, mo lang mo yan, oy.
Nagbuoy.
I have no ignorance because I am ignorant. Tara, sir, sila kadako.
Pakili, Steven.
Sila kadako. Sila ko?
Nagkik shrimp. Kapasaya, nakapstip kami. pwede pauli na may balay. Ay, pauli mo sa mga tulugan. Wala ka. Lalong, patubig.
Kita na naman dito, sir.
Tanaw na naman ng record ko, sir. Ano yung mata man ang sagtag?
What was that?
This, uy! The jumping. They are alive.
They are alive.
You want to eat this? It's very delicious when you make it this as salad.
Salad.
This salad, a very special salad. When you get that head around and quick and you goodbye head.
By head.
There's the head. There's the head.
The head, and then you pick you pick that into their mini
Silaw po ninyo, no? Mini.
and then you get the skin, large skin of the body. Can you it's very hard.
Why?
You get this hard skin of the shrimp. So hard to get, but it's very delicious when you get the hard skin. Then when it's finished, good. When it's finished, you wash it in the
Water?
I'm gonna realize this.
and then
Close up, please.
when they clean, so you can eat now.
Oh,
Very
so how's
delicious,
how's
yes.
the taste?
Perfect.
Perfect. Bye.